Okay guys, what we're going to start working on today is called a Dia de los Muertos sugar skull. And here's an outline of this skull shape just for you to kind of see. We're going to move that out of the way for now. The supplies you're going to be using, please don't take them out now, but know that you're going to use a glue bottle, oil pastels, and scissors for today's part. You have a white paper and a black paper. The black paper is what we're going to glue the sugar skull onto. So you're just going to have your name only on the black paper. So if you'd like to do that, you may go ahead and write your name. Just use one of those oil pastels that's a light color. So go ahead and write your name on the black paper. And then under your name, please write your classroom code. So if you're in 3rd grade, your code would be 3 dash, and then it would be the capital letter of your teacher's name. So it would be 3 dash, the capital letter of your teacher's name. H. If your teacher's Miss Heron, then it would be Heron. Okay, so we're going to put that away for now. Your name is always on the back. Don't forget, put that away for now. Now we're going to focus on our white paper. Okay, I'll know you're ready when you have just a white paper and nothing in your hands. I'll know you're ready when you have just a white paper and nothing in your hands. We're going to end up folding this paper in half vertically. That means it's going to be tall and skinny. So you're going to fold it over, fold it over so that it's tall and skinny. Now, I want you looking for the open side and the closed side. So if you have your hand flat and you can put thumb side of the paper, everybody should have a folded piece of paper. Everybody should have a folded piece of paper. No. This paper is going to be unfolded, so be careful. No. That's the back. It doesn't matter. All right. So your name is on the back of the black paper. Your white paper is folded in half. Now all you need to do is draw your skull outline. So right now I want your hands in your lap, eyes on the board, ears are listening. So that way you can watch, and then it's your turn. It is not your turn right now. It's your turn to watch. So your paper is folded. Make sure you find the side of the paper that is on the crease. If you draw this on the open side, it won't work. So right now I should see all eyes on the board. Some people I still see looking down. I should see all eyes on the board. Okay, the way I'm going to start drawing my skull shape is a little flat on the top. It's going to start to curve out and around, back in for the jaw. Very good. And then I'm going to add a few vertebrae, just half. Because if I add a whole one, and if I have a whole one on one side, I'm going to have a whole one on the other side. So I only want to add a half. Now, when you cut this out, you're going to cut it out while it's still folded. Now, but a little quick check to make sure you did it right. You may open it to look and see if your lines led to the middle. You're not going to draw on both sides. You will not draw on both sides. Your hands should still be in your lap. You're going to fold your paper back up because I made sure that my drawing was to the middle. Then I'm going to take my scissors and cut around. So now this white paper that I cut off, this could become trash, or we could save it to use to make a few flowers to also glue down on our black paper. Now this side where you can still kind of see that line that we drew, that's the side you're going to put glue on because we don't want that showing. So you're just going to do a few dots of glue. Just a few glue dots. You're going to take your skull very carefully, pick it up, glue it down on that black paper. Now you're ready to start adding your decorations. If you think about it, the nose is going to be kind of right in the middle. It's almost an upside down heart shape. And you can color it in however you want, but remember you must use symmetry. And remember, symmetry is where things are the same on each side. If you have a line on one side, you need to have a line on the other side. If you have an eye on one side, you need to have an eye on the other side. You're also going to be using your oil pastels to add different types of patterns. Now that we have watched this, you have your paper folded and you're going to be able to go back and add your outline, then cut it out. Does anybody have any questions?